All right, we're back. Okay, so the 4 hour is about to close in just a few seconds. It just closed. I want to see, so it's on the 30. So we broke everything, right? We made it up to this zone up here. So we want to see if it's going to do a little retracement before we continue up. Let's look at the shorter time frame. Starting to slowly reject. The 4 hour closed fucking really bullish, right? We have no bottom wick yet. It's still going up. So I want to see a bottom wick created on the 4 hour. Let's see on the 30, bro, it's just continuing. Okay, so how far can we go? Let's look at the 4 hour. So we broke that. Next one, I would want to see this wick get hit. And then, yeah, that's all we're going for so far. It's another 250, 300 pips. Powell's still speaking. Are we going to continue up? Put our stop below? Or is it going to reject? Because we gotta keep in mind on the left here, we have all this rejection, which looks like it wants to pass it. It looks like it wants to pass it. It's either we pass that or we create a lower wick and then we continue up. If we pass this, there's pretty much nothing stopping us from getting up to this zone to fill this wick. On the daily here, yeah, that would be the next wick. After that, we would be targeting the high up here. Yeah, like right around there. That would be the next zone. So let's go back down into the 5. Are we starting to reject? Let's go to the 1. If we see a rejection, it would be a nice sell down to this zone. How much are we going to reject? It's on the 5. Okay. Go on the 1. Yeah, we already have one rejection. Now we have the second wick forming on the 5. See if it's going to continue down. Doesn't want to reject quite yet. Nope. Slow pullback to continue. Wow, bro, this is just sending it. Haven't broken that top. One minute for the 5 to close. Breaking that low. See how this 5 is starting to close. Rejection. Let's go to 1. Okay, the 5 closed. See a little push up, and then push up, and then take it down to the order block. So we're going to put our stop loss right above here. We're going to put our TP right at the order block, right down here. That's what we're going for. And I'm ready to exit if we need to. I want to see that push down. Push down to our order block. I want to see it create support. No. Okay. I don't like how long it's taking. We're going to get a rejection here. Or we're going to see a push up, continuation. Looks like it wants to continue up or not. Got a rejection there. See if that's going to hold and push down. Nope, doesn't want to. Two minutes for the 5 to close. Push down to the order block. Push down. Yep, break that low. Straight down into the order block. Come on. That's what we're looking for. Crack that lower wick. Crack it. Come on. Got 1 minute for the 5 to close. I'm out. I don't like how long it took, because now it could just pop right up. We'll see. See if it's... Let's take these off. Let's see if it holds that. Or if it's going to break it. Starting to look bullish to me. I want to see this low broken to come into here. That's what I want to see. Is it comes straight into this zone, which now it's doing. We just got out early. It's okay. Yeah, it's doing exactly what we expected it to do, but got to remember, a lot of volume kicked in, it went up, it could have just continued up, which it could still do. I just wanted to see this part get tapped first. Let's see. Yeah, see 4 hours just pulling back. 4 hour just close, it's pulling back. Just getting a little bit of a pullback. And I want to see it come tap this. If it breaks it, come tap the break of structure, and then we continue up. We're at the trend line. Let's see if it holds it. $10.13, 15-minute candles closing in 2 minutes. Like if it closes like this, that's a fire continuation, you know. But we got to look to the left. We have a lot of resistance here, so we want to see that broken first and retested. Want to see it. This was our TP. That's what we wanted to come down to. How's the 15 gonna close? Just under a minute here. Respected the trend line. We can go bullish from here. And it would have smashed our TP. Remember, this is yesterday's high. So let's see if it taps this and then continues up. Yeah, that was yesterday's high. Okay, 15 just closed. 5 closed super bearish. Like, that shows that it should continue down. Into this zone here. Let's see what the 15 close like. Yeah. So now I would want to see it come tap this. Yep. And let's see if we bounce off of this or if we continue down. It broke that too. Damn, bro, it's like the whole fucking move. It's rejecting. Wow, it's rejecting heavy. Let's see what that 4 hours looking like. It's rejecting heavy. Alright, we're at the break of structure. Let's see if we get a pop up from here. See if this holds. If this holds, we get a nice buy. Let's see a nice support formed. Okay, the 5 literally just tapped the 20 moving average and started rejecting. So this can be a nice higher high, pullback, continuation up. But we want to see some support form before we go in on longs, because unless there's support form, then it could still be going down. Okay. Alright, still no trades here. Okay. Candle engulfed it, that's a good sign. 5 closes in 1 minute. Let's see if we get that continuation up. Okay, 5 just closed. Let's see what it's gonna do here. Looks like this would be a good entry. We put our stops below and target the top here. But we want to see a nice support formed. Take it to the moving average. Actually gonna change the color of this moving average. How do we do that? Moving average. Let's change the color of this to something that's more visible. Maybe something like this. Yeah, see? More visible. It's too visible. Something that's not going to be... So I like to just have that there on the side, so I can do something like that. Let's see if that's better, yeah. Alright, so it's still pushing down. This candle engulfed it. This is going to make a top wick and probably continue to. So we tapped the 20 moving average 2 times already and rejected. So I want to see if this turns into like a little cup and then we get a push up. Got 2 minutes for this 5 to close. Still rejecting the hourly. Hourly still valid for buys. Yeah, same with the 4. Same with the 30. Let's see how this closes. But looks like it wants to correct the whole move. 1 minute for this 5 to close. Weight's going down. It looks like it wants to correct the whole move. All right, the 5 just closed. Yeah, bro, that closed bearish as fuck. Let's see if we get a little pullback. Got 5 minutes until the 30 closes. The 30's rejecting that top over there that we were looking at. All right, tap the top, rejected. Okay, starting to push back up a little bit. And still not a clean buy signal for me. Did break that, so let's see if it holds or if we're going to continue down. Oh, bro, this shit is dropping. So 30, it went up and now we're coming down, and looks like it wants to correct the whole move completely. 2 minutes for it to close. We're going to wait for the 30 to close before we do anything. It's correcting the whole move. Ooh, straight down, bro. Straight down. Last minute before it closes. What's the daily looking like? It created a top wick. Damn, is it just gonna come down now? Yo, the way this 30 is about to close, it's hourly like, ooh, yeah, we're gonna be looking for some shorts here soon. We're going to be looking for some shorts. 30 just closed. Let's get a top wick there. Let's get a top wick. And then we can send it down. Some of the zones we're looking for. Yeah, right. You see how it corrected, it went up, came right back down. So now there's a high probability we just continue down because it broke the support. Do you want to see this top wick created? If not, we're going down. I'll take the sell there. Let's go on 5. We're going to put our TP in a stop loss. We're going to put our stop above. We're going to put our take profit down in the zone right here. Oh, this is the first one we'd be targeting. And that would be the second one. Let's just hold it on for over here right now. Put this above. And we'll see if it pushes through. How do I? Why isn't it? Okay, stop loss, take profit. Stop loss above, take profit. Down in this zone. Let's modify that. Now we want to put a line here too because this can also get rejected, right? So just in case it does, we can exit out quickly. So I'm going to be ready to exit on the computer here. I'm not adding any additional positions. Okay, let's see if we break through that. Oh, we broke through that. Are we continuing? Yes, we are. Come on. How low can we go? And okay. Let's go on the 1 minute here. 1, 2. Is it gonna break that support? Yep. It broke support, so we should continue down. Let's see how low we're gonna go. Is this gonna pull back or continue down? I don't want to see a pullback because we broke the low. I want to see a continuation. If we start pulling back, I'm going to get out. Okay, let's see a continuation right there. No pullback just yet. We need a nice move before we anticipate a pullback. It's too soon. Yep, I want to see it continue going here. I want to see a nice clean move down into our TP right now. Come on. I don't want to see a slowdown or else I'm out. No slowdown. It's too soon for a slowdown. That means we may see a reversal. Come on, no. Bro, what? You got 1 minute before the 5 closes. Are we going to get that push down? Are we going to get that push down? Push down into our TP. Already broke that low, bro. Come on. But you broke the low, you have to go down. I want to see it happen fast. Or else I'm out. Come on. Continuation down. Yes, sir. Let's go. Keep pushing down. You got a minute before the 5 closes. We want to see a nice move down into our TP. Come on. No rejections. No rejections. Let's go. Yep, that's what I'm looking for. That's what we're looking for. There we go. There we go. Continue down. Continue down. Oh, it's a 5 minute just close. Yeah, we can see a little pullback. I'm not worried about that. I just don't want to see that 1 minute candle engulf. We're just creating a top wick on the 5 to continue down, right? But if we engulf on the 1 minute, I don't want to see that. No, 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 no. Tap that break of structure and come down. Tap it and come down. Tapped it. Now I want to see it come down. I want to see it come down. Pretty much tap the yellow line, come down. Don't go above the yellow line. If we do, we're out. If we go above that, we're out. Now I want to see a continuation down. It already did its pull back on the 5. I want to see a continuation down, a clean move down. Come on. Bro. Yep, I'm out. Taking too long. Are we going to do that now? Because we got to remember, we also have this right here, right? So that's one, that's another one on the 5. So, phew, it broke above. That's another demand area right there. So I was going for the lower wick, but we did pretty good there. It's reversing. What was our profit? Only 587. It's still another 50 pips we got out of the market. It's fire. Dude, that was a perfect exit. Perfect exit. Perfect. Dude, I don't know how I missed this. I went with this one, but I missed this right here. This other support. Bro, look how fast it's just pushing back up. That's a nice exit there. So if we are going to continue down, I want to see it crack this and then down. Let's look at the higher time frames here. 30-minute. Yep, it broke this low. It broke the low, so we should see it continue down. Bro, this hour candle, it just engulfed everything. We're pushing down. So we have about 22 minutes before the hourly candle closes. We're going to give it a few minutes, see how it plays out, and then if we see a break of the lows, a retest, like a clean setup, we'll be back.